This is the mini kit for men with oilier skin. Not that the other products on this site aren't suitable for men, but I thought if you wanted a small selection of really active products picked out that would help tackle oilier skin, these are great. So first we've got Potent C from Belgravia Dermatology, which is a high-strength vitamin C serum. It's also got hyaluronic acid and peptides in here, so that will really brighten and strengthen the skin. Then a sunscreen, because I reckon sunscreen is non-negotiable, and if you have oily skin, you probably don't like even the idea of wearing a sunscreen. You'll think it's heavy or sticky, but this is super lightweight, really effective, SPF 50. You won't even know you're wearing it, and it'll do a great job for you. Then a retinoid. This is Medicate's 3TR retinol, which among the other benefits of retinol, like softening wrinkles and breaking up pigmentation, it will help normalize oil production in the skin and clear blocked pores. So that is really good if you have oilier skin. You'll only want to use this a couple of nights a week, particularly at first while your skin is getting used to it. So on the other nights, you could use that after you've cleansed to help improve and strengthen your skin while you sleep.